One more video. Let's suppose we have this triple integral in rectangular. X goes from -1 to 1, y goes from negative square root to positive square root. That integrates over this circular region. And then this is actually the lower half of a sphere to an upper half of a sphere. Negative square root of 1 minus x squared minus y squared, and positive square root of 1 minus x squared minus y squared. We want to convert this integral to cylindrical and spherical. It's really quite easy. And we're also integrating xy. Well, first of all, dz, dy, dx, we write a small element of volume in cylindrical as this. That's dv. Then we have to convert xy to cylindrical. Keep in mind x is r cos theta, and y is r sine theta. So we have r cos theta, r sine theta, dz, r dr d theta. And then we have to set up the limits of integration for a whole sphere. Theta goes from 0 to 2 pi. So we go all the way around. And r goes from 0 to 1, that's the radius. And then z has to go from the lower surface to the upper surface. Negative square root 1 minus r squared to positive square root 1 minus r squared. And that's our cylindrical integral. So probably a little bit easier than in rectangular. Now in spherical, we have an element of volume, rho squared sine phi d rho d theta d phi, that's a given. We have to convert x to spherical, okay, and that's equal to rho sine phi cosine theta. And then y we convert is rho sine phi sine theta. We're a little bit pinched for space here, but that goes right in there. Then our limits for phi goes from 0 to pi. Theta goes all the way around the circle, 0 to 2 pi. And then rho just goes from 0 to the outer extremity of the sphere, 0 to 1. And so that's all there is to converting something to cylindrical or spherical. Chances are, if you're converting to cylindrical or spherical, it's going to be a sphere, or cylinder, or cone, something easy to deal with. It's not going to be some whacked out surface that is difficult to set up the limits. So then, of course, we can evaluate this. This is constant with respect to z. You get z from here to here. Okay, plug that in, and could be a difficult integral in cylindrical, but spherical would actually probably be pretty easy. So, okay, that's all for this video.